Hello everyone, welcome back to multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities part 30. Question number 290. PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan PMGS NMP, which was launched in October 2021, is meant for option A agriculture sector, option B infrastructure sector, option C exports, option D industries sector. The correct answer is option B infrastructure sector. Let us see the explanation. PM Gati Shakti is a new vision for integrated planning, synchronized time bound implementation. Honorable Prime Minister has launched the PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan for providing multi-modal connectivity infrastructure to various economic zones on 13th October 2021. So the correct answer is option B infrastructure sector. Question number 291. Which was the main trading center in ancient Telangana? Option A Kondapur, option B Kolanupaka, option C Bhuvanagiri, option D Karimnagar. The correct answer is option A Kondapur. Let us see the explanation. Kondapur is mentioned in several sources as a significant trade hub during the Shatavahana period, with evidence of coin production and the presence of Buddhist establishments. So the correct answer is option A Kondapur. Question number 293. Who among the following was not a chief minister of a state before becoming the Prime Minister of India? Option A P.V. Narasimha Rao, option B Chandrasekhar, option C H.D. Devegowda, option D V.P. Singh. The correct answer is option B Chandrasekhar. Let us see the explanation. Chandrasekhar was the 8th PM who did not become the CM of any state during his tenure. Chandrasekhar, India's 8th Prime Minister, only served in the Prime Minister position for a little over 7 months. He was an Uttar Pradesh farmer's son who was born on July 1st, 1927. So the correct answer is option B Chandrasekhar. Question number 294. Which of the following is not the case of ecological imbalance? Option A afforestation, option B erosion of soil, option C industrial and atmospheric pollution, option D degradation of land. The correct answer is option A afforestation. Let us see the explanation. Afforestation, which is the process of planting trees in an area that was not previously forested, is considered a positive environmental practice that helps prevent soil erosion, improve air quality, and promote biodiversity. So the correct answer is option A afforestation. Question number 295. In which one of the following assembly segments the government of Telangana launched the Dalit Bandhu scheme in August 2021? Option A Achampet, option B Jukkal, option C Hujurabad, option D Aleru. The correct answer is option C Hujurabad. Let us see the explanation. The Dalit Bandh scheme is a welfare program launched by the state government of Telangana in India in August 2021. The scheme is aimed to providing financial assistance to families belonging to the scheduled caste community in the state to help them become economically self-reliant. In August 2021, this scheme was first launched in Vasalamari village in Turkapalli Mandal and later it was launched in Hujurabad Assembly constituency. So the correct answer is option C, Hujurabad. Question number 296. Complete the given sentence using the grammatically correct option. We will hire private buses to avoid inconvenience when our buses dash. Option A is under repair. Option B were under repair. Option C are under repair. Option D under repair. The correct answer is option C are under repair. The given sentence in between future tense and present tense. So by elimination method you can eliminate is under repair, were under repair and under repair. So the correct answer is option C are under repair. We will hire private buses to avoid inconvenience when our buses are under repair. Question number 297. Who among the following was the first female astronaut to circle the moon? Option A, Christina Hammock Koch. Option B, Megan MacArthur. Option C, Kyla Baron. Option D, Gina Cardman. The correct answer is option A, Christina Hammock Koch. Let us see the explanation. Christina Koch is the first female astronaut to circle the moon. She will be part of the Artemis 2 mission which will orbit the moon. So the correct answer is option A, Christina Hammock Koch. Question number 298. Which of the following countries will host Asian Cup Football Tournament 2027? Option A, China. Option B, Japan. Option C, Saudi Arabia. Option D, Qatar. The correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Let us see the explanation. The Asian Football Confederation Asian Cup 2027 will take place from January 7th to February 5th across 3 cities in Saudi Arabia: Riyadh, Jeddah and Al Khobar. So the correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Question number 299. Which of the following states of India celebrated the third edition of the Orange Festival in January 2023? In Rusoma village. Option A, Odisha. Option B, Nagaland. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Maharashtra. The correct answer is option B, Nagaland. Let us see the explanation. The third edition of the 2-day Orange Festival has been organized in Nagaland's Rusoma village to mark the harvest of organic oranges in the district. The Orange Festival was held from 24th to 25th January 2023. The Orange Festival is held to display the harvested oranges from the village. So the correct answer is option B, Nagaland. Question number 300. In how many states will the PM Mitra parks be established? Option A, 8. Option B, 10. Option C, 7. Option D, 2. The correct answer is option C, 7. Let us see the explanation. PM Mitra parks will be established in 7 states. These states are Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.